Here we want to find the limit of the quotient x to the third divided by e to the x squared as x approaches infinity. And so we can tell that this right here, this approaches the top will approach infinity, bottom will approach infinity. And since we have the indeterminate form of infinity over infinity, we can use L'Hopital's rule. So this will be the same as the derivative of the top right here with respect to x, and then the derivative of the bottom with respect to x. So for the top, we get 3x squared. And then remember that the derivative of e to the x squared, which is e to the x squared, and then times the derivative of x squared. And so this becomes 3x squared. The derivative of x squared is 2x, and times e to the x squared. And now we let x approach infinity, and then this will get infinity divided by infinity. And so we just apply L'Hopital's rule again. And now we just take the derivative of the top, 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and then the denominator here, we have a quantity. So this is the product of 2x. So let's go ahead and put the parenthesis here so we can see that it's a product. And so to do the derivative here, we have to use the product rule for the derivative. And so it would be 2x times the derivative of e to the x squared, but we just did the derivative of e to the x squared right here, and the derivative of e to the x squared is 2x e to the x squared, and then plus e to the x squared times the derivative of 2x, which is 2. So one more time is 2x times the derivative of e to the x squared, and then plus e to the x squared times the derivative of 2x. And then let's simplify this a little bit. So we get 6x and then right here this becomes 2x becomes 4x squared e to the x squared and then plus 2e to the x squared. And again, if we do if we let x run to infinity, then we get infinity over infinity again. So we can apply L'Hopital's rule again. So take the derivative of the top, again we get 6. And this is 4. Now, the derivative of x squared e to the 2x squared earlier when we did, so we can just do a product right here. So this is a product. So this product would be just x squared, and then the derivative of e to the x squared is 2x e to the x squared. And then plus e to the x squared, and then times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. And then plus, so the derivative of this part is this. And then the derivative of this part is just 2 times. And then derivative of e to the x squared again is 2x e to the x squared. And then we let x run to infinity, then we get 6, and the bottom we just run to infinity. So we end up with 0. And so the answer is 0.